As if this mess wasn't going bad enough already, I had insufficient memory on my camera, so I had to delete some stuff that I didn't need, and sure enough, I deleted the freaking intro of this video. I'm really ready to say forget this video, like seriously, like that just really ticked me off. And I'm already having trouble trying to pack this stuff into this little suitcase. Ugh. How many do I need? Ooh, these are nice and moist. The rolls really smell good. Hope I'm not allergic to them. I shouldn't be. I'm not really allergic to wipes or anything. Let's see. Should label them, but I don't have a marker with me, and I'm just trying to get this packing done. And as you can see, my toiletries have taken up half of the doggone suitcase. Lovely. Still got this big old bag here that we need to put in there. Okay. Might have to get rid of a pair of shoes or something. I don't know. I really don't know. Oh. My slow behind. I thought that was another compartment, like above this one, but it's the same doggone one. Wishful thinking. So in here, I'm just gonna keep all my tech stuff, you know, my phone, camera, chargers, batteries, earphones, etc. Debating on if I want to take my iPad with me, because I need to get a cover and I need to get a screen protector, because I want to be able to play my games and I want to be able to watch my shows even when I'm away from home. My knees are ashy right now, but I do not care because I got up at 6:47 this morning for work. So, and I decided to make this video for you guys and pack. So, got a bonnet for my hair, very important. Guess I'll throw this in the compartment right here. I forgot about this. Mosquito repellent. Where I'm going, there will be mosquitoes. It's the summertime. I will be doing some outdoor activities. So, some last minute wardrobe changes. I think I'm gonna do my up dress in another color. Do this dress in another color. And I think I'm gonna take out one of these outfits from this crazy doggone plaid pants and a yellow shirt. Got my zip up hoodie. Probably wear this to the airport because I'm not trying to pack more than necessary. Oh, y'all don't need to see that. Y'all need to see that stuff. Here are some of my shoes. I plan on doing sandals. Yes, I literally packed the same sandal but in different colors like 3 times. 3-4 times. And look at that, it's taking up, look, the shoes take up the other half of the doggone suitcase. And I still gotta put my heels in. It's too much. This is too much. I don't know if I'll ever fly again outside of me flying home. Whew. Okay, y'all, don't look at this. Don't look at this. Y'all don't need to see my doggone brassieres and whatnot. What is this? Oh. Clothes. I made 3 straight bags of clothes. So these are my pajamas. I'm not about to open it up. Okay, that's fitting. Okay, we're making some progress here. Got my cute little bathing suit just in case if I go to the lake or whatever. Reduce it. Thank goodness for space bags. Oh, it's bulky. I don't think I'm gonna be able to close this thing. Look, and this ain't even all, I just have pajamas. All my outfits are in here. I'm about to get rid of this doggone plaid pants and yellow shirt outfit. Swirly dress. I've only worn this once, so I need to bring this bee back out. Snap this in like a car seat. I don't even think that these go with anything that I'm wearing. You know what I'm saying? So got my heels. Cute, aren't they? From Aldo. One less thing to worry about. For those who are wondering about hand sanitizer and stuff like that, all that stuff is in my purse. So I'm gonna have to transfer that stuff from that purse to this one. I don't even know if I'll be able to get that in there. I think another thing that will help is me wearing this to the flight on the day of my flight out there. So there's one less thing in the suitcase. All this stuff, all of these measures, just so that I ensure that I don't lose anything. It's worth it though. It's really worth it. Regarding the purse, I know I'm just trying to be cute, trying to match with my outfits and stuff like that, but I don't think that this purse is gonna fit in here, guys. I'm gonna ditch the iron. Where I'm going, I'm 110% sure that they have an iron. I hope that my stuff isn't wrinkly. Crap. Spill some of this on the floor. Yeah. Transferring some of this to one of these things. Apparently they allow insect repellent on the plane, so that should be enough. I really hope this is enough. It's getting in my throat. You can see I labeled it. Oh, I don't even know if this is gonna fit in here. Great, now it sounds like bug repellent in here. Hold up. Upgraded my jewelry box. Just gotta put another thing on top just to make sure they don't get damaged. Trying to separate the non-clear bags from the clear bags so they don't have to open them up and unseal them. And I just know I won't feel like sealing them again at the airport. So yeah.
out of the tree. Took Polaroid pictures on our team. It's yes it did. It just when you think you can't get no better than this. Just when you think you can't get no better than this. Always so much better than it ever was. Seems like all the good things come at once. Just when you think you can't get no better than it does.
I would say
there's the capital city right over there.
They want us in the army. They cannot carry those out.
Right here in Florida. And actually, I don't know if you knew this. Melanie lived in Moorhead, Minnesota, while she was single. There's a better tax rate. They got married right across the line from Moorhead. It's just...
But Moorhead is like Fargo. In Fargo, you NDSU has agreed to it.
Yeah. Oh, it's a shame. I didn't take one. I'll give it back to you. Relax. I don't want to play it.
Yeah. Oh, you took my glass. One more?
Yes, it does. And grow the love. Yes, it did. Yeah. Yeah, that's raining. Gail said that.
It's still raining.
It's still raining.
Yeah, he got some. Like Jake was holding, Jake got it. He was holding.
Crazy weather.